Adding some water only, because I had these lines hooked up and I realized it was leaking. And this has a hole right here. I don't know how I didn't notice that, but I put the cheater pipe on there for now, and I'm getting the water in there. Right now I'm going to jump the fuel pump wire before I hook it up to the computer, because I'm feeling a little sketched out about my connection right here. And it didn't feel right going on, so I got some more of these little plastic locks. But I figured what I'd do is I'd jump it, make sure it doesn't leak, and hopefully that'll be okay, because I don't want to spew fuel everywhere. So I was thinking before I tied the fuel pump into the harness, I would do it just a standalone. And I'm going to do that with this spare battery right here. Just got to ground the battery and then touch a fuel pump wire to power, and it should turn the fuel pump on back there and check for leaks. I think it's gonna be okay. I didn't see any leaks. Did you guys see any leaks? I don't feel any leaks. You guys saw pressure, right? There's still some pressure on it. I feel like I heard gas being pumped back into the tank, so I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and call that ready. So now I can, I got like 6 wires to hook up. I'm gonna do that real quick, add some more water. I got some newer fuel to put in there to mix with the old crap. And then we're getting real close. I think I'm ready to go. I got batteries 100% ready. I'm gonna leave that on just in case while I'm keeping the key on, doing everything. Water's in it. I got this vacuum line hooked up for the first start. I'm hoping to get rid of that once we get the initial start out of it, and then can hopefully tune this vacuum line out. Everything is basically temporarily wired to go. So all I got to do is put power to the computer, go through the sequence on the instructions, and hopefully it's successful. I'm really nervous. I'm gonna put some fuel in there too, because I don't know how old it is. So I got a few gallons of some fresh premium to put in there. I think I'm gonna do some cranking on it before I plug the computer in. That way I can kind of hopefully get some stuff moving around in the engine before it actually fires. So let me get set up, get the garage door open, and get ready. Okay, I got one thing on two. Okay, I did all the instructions. I'm at the startup point where I went back to the monitors, and after I did all the monitor checks, and now it's saying the vehicle should be ready to be started. Open the same sensor screen. Let's see. Sensors. Okay. Okay. All right. I don't know.
Try
it. I'm scared, but just so you know, fire extinguisher is right behind you on the bench.
The door's open. I can run.
Go for it.
Fire in the hole.
we're leaking bits. This sounds like a lot. Holy crap, what is all that?
Oil.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Let's see. So,
Oh my gosh.
it's like, you got a flashlight?
Wow, okay. Well, this is where I'm gonna walk away for right now. I thought I had a huge win when it fired up and all electrical worked. I guess that still is a huge win. But being that it does self-changing oil changes down there, so not good. So not good. Does this count that I got it technically running once before my birthday? Well, I guarantee I'm going to be driving it. I don't know. I need to walk away, figure out a plan, and try desperately to find some motivation. I think motivation is going to be the biggest part. I'm so sick of dealing with... I'm just so sick of having my car parked. And I was excited. It'll get fixed. I just don't know when. I just feel like... I just want to... I'm going to become a rock collector. Seashells. I'm going to buy a metal detector and just be that old dude on the beach just looking for stuff with my metal detector. It'll probably be cheaper than dealing with this crap and less work. I'll think of something. I'll get back to you guys.